Hi, I'm Kirby with Augustine e-bike. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe below. And again, thanks so much for watching our videos.
Anyone driving anywhere in the world will encounter bike lanes, and even more so in the world's urban areas. This cycling infrastructure started shortly after the bike boom of the 1880s, when the first stretches of dedicated bicycle infrastructure were built. These began to decline by the mid-20th century, with the decline of the cycling as a means of transportation. In 1897, American businessman Horace Dobbins began construction on a private bicycle superhighway that would stretch from Pasadena to downtown Los Angeles. And it almost got built. The first 1¼ mile stretch across Pasadena was in fact erected. At the time, there were 30,000 cyclists in Los Angeles, representing 6% of the 500,000 person population. Today, the worldwide population and traffic growth are reaching record numbers. Cities that were once turned over to the motor vehicle are making more space for bicycles. Some of the solutions in terms of infrastructure and bicycle technology are surprising, and they're innovative. Denmark, Germany, France, and the Netherlands have pioneered the concept of bicycle superhighways to increase the speed, safety, and comfort of bicycle commuting. Since then, London and Flanders, along with many other cities around the world, have also started building bicycle superhighways. Munich is now considering to build a cycle highway to its northern suburbs. They believe the bike is the answer to traffic and environmental problems, and that bicycle highways are also a way to promote a healthier lifestyle. The physical design of the routes changes depending on the circumstances. It can include shared in-road bikeways, bike lanes, and cycle tracks. The first Dutch route opened in 2004, with many others added since then. The first Danish route opened in 2012 and was built with few stops and new paths away from traffic. Service stations with air pumps are located at regular intervals. In 2015, Germany's Ruhr Valley opened the first 3 miles of a planned 62-mile bicycle superhighway, connecting 10 cities and 4 universities in this struggling industrial area. The new bike highway, which differs from existing bike paths in that it is wide enough to allow bikes to travel at faster speeds in both directions. The new bike highway also features outtaking lanes and grade-separated crossings. It is also lit and plowed with snow in the winter. Together with the booming popularity of the electric bike, the highway could lead to a new era of cycle commuting in Germany. In the Ruhr, the distance between cities varies from 6 to 10 miles, which makes this industrial area ideal for commuting by bike. In London, there are plans for the Sky Cycle Pathway, which includes 220 kilometers of bike paths suspended above railway lines, and one proposal for a floating bike path that would be anchored to the riverbed along the Thames. One plan even proposes using some of London's disused underground railway stations and tunnels as part of the series of subterranean bicycle paths. When it comes to building serious bicycle highways, the Danes and the Dutch were the great pioneers. While the Danish bicycle highways are concentrated in and around Copenhagen, the Netherlands boasts a network of about 20 bicycle highways throughout the country. Many big German cities such as Frankfurt, Hamburg, Berlin, Munich, and Nuremberg are looking to create their own bicycle superhighways that include solar-powered bike paths that provide power to local cities, specially painted bike paths that light for nighttime, along with many other advanced technologies. Fast electric bikes now enable commuters to easily cover stretches of 12 to 18 miles, provided there's a well-designed road with a smooth surface. These successes have countries and cities all over the world investing in and building the new bicycle highways that will transport generations of people into the new age of cycling.